Memory foam mattresses have become a staple for many sleepers seeking pressure relief, contouring support, and motion isolation. With a wide range of options, from budget-friendly twins to full-size, mid to high-depth models, consumers often struggle to separate marketing claims from real-world performance. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 memory foam mattresses across core criteria: pressure relief and spinal alignment, temperature regulation, durability and material safety, ease of setup and maintenance, and overall value for money. Product number 1. Zeena's 5-inch twin green tea memory foam mattress, new version. This Zeena's twin uses a 5-inch profile with memory foam and zoned pressure relief to target common pain points. Wrapped in an OECO-Tex certified cover and Certi Pure US foams. The smaller box footprint aligns with a lower carbon footprint and easier shipping. The all-natural green tea and activated charcoal infusions are positioned to help keep the surface fresh across nights of use, while the 10-year limited warranty offers a reasonable safety net for a budget-friendly option. Performance-wise, the tight top design emphasizes a balance between contouring comfort and support, with a maximum weight support of 250 pounds on twin sizes and up to 500 pounds on larger variants. Sleepers who prioritize pressure relief in the hips and shoulders may appreciate the zoned approach, though at 5 inches total height. Product number 2, Cool Gel 12-inch Queen Memory Foam Mattress, medium firm. Cool Gel's 12-inch Queen mattress presents a classic 3-layer memory foam stack with high-density base foam and a breathable comfort layer. It emphasizes cooling performance through an open cell structure and a fiberglass-free build, with Certi Pure US certification to reassure emissions and durability. The 12-inch depth positions this as a robust mid to upper mid-range option within the comparison set, and the Cool Gel branding highlights temperature regulation as a primary selling point for hot sleepers. Performance-wise, the mattress aims for strong spinal alignment with medium firm support suitable for a broad range of sleepers, back, stomach, and some side sleepers. The large 80 by 60 by 12 inches footprint accommodates couples more readily than thinner models, and the heavy frame, over 83 pounds, indicates a durable, long-lasting core. Product number 3, Full Mattress. This 10-inch full-size model from UCO targets a balanced comfort profile with 2 core layers, memory foam and high-density foam. The mattress is designed to be easy to set up in a box, with a removable zippered cover that is machine washable, which can simplify maintenance for guest rooms and dorms. The 2-layer construction aims to deliver customized sleep by combining contouring memory foam with a firmer base layer to support different sleeping positions. Performance-wise, the 10-inch height offers a mid to lush feel that accommodates back, stomach, and side sleepers while maintaining reasonable edge support for a foam mattress in this height class. The memory foam plus HD foam stack is likely to provide good pressure relief for shoulders and hips, though heavier individuals may find the core too soft over time. Product number 4, Ego Home 8-inch Twin Mattress. The Ego Home 8-inch Twin focuses on a medium-firm memory foam experience with a cooling gel infusion and green tea for odor control and temperature regulation. The 8-inch profile is a versatile choice for smaller spaces, youth rooms, or guest beds, with a budget-friendly price point that does not compromise on Certi Pure US certification and US-made foam materials. The twin dimensions make it ideal for compact bedrooms, bunk setups, or as a transitional mattress for growing kids. Performance-wise, the 8-inch design prioritizes pressure relief with a breathable foam structure and a memory foam core that conforms to the body while maintaining a balanced support level. The green tea gel infusion aids temperature management, a plus for sleepers who tend to overheat. The mattress supports all sleep positions with a general emphasis on reducing tossing and turning due to effective pressure distribution. Product number 5. Best Choice Products 12-inch. This Best Choice Products 12-inch queen mattress emphasizes a 2-layer design with green tea and charcoal cooling gels to manage odors and moisture. The 12-inch depth places it in the thicker, more cushioned category within the budget segment, with a focus on medium firm support that suits a wide range of sleepers. The mattress uses a removable cover and Certi-Pier US certified foam, with a total weight around 65 pounds, signaling a sturdy build that can withstand regular use. Performance-wise, the combination of green tea and charcoal gels aims to balance temperature regulation with odor control, which is particularly appealing for shared spaces or guest rooms. The 12-inch height typically affords better pressure relief and a more stable feel at the edges than thinner foam beds, though it remains a budget option at a lower price tier.